Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare copper versus CCA. Pure copper wire is known for its superior electrical conductivity and strength, making it a premium choice for many applications. In contrast, copper-clad aluminum, or CCA, features an aluminum core with a thin outer layer of copper. This construction makes CCA significantly lighter and generally more affordable than solid copper. When it comes to performance, pure copper excels in carrying higher current loads with minimal resistance and heat generation. This makes it ideal for power delivery and critical data transmission. CCA, however, has higher resistance and is better suited for applications requiring lower power, such as short audio cables or some networking uses where signal integrity is less critical over short distances. Durability is another key differentiator. Pure copper is highly flexible and resistant to corrosion, ensuring a longer lifespan and reliable connections. CCA, on the other hand, is more brittle due to its aluminum core and can be prone to breakage, especially when frequently bent or exposed to environmental stressors. For safety, many electrical codes often recommend or require the use of pure copper. While pure copper has a higher initial purchase price, its superior performance, durability, and longevity often translate to better long-term value and fewer replacement costs. CCA offers a more budget-friendly alternative, making it suitable for applications where cost is a primary concern and performance demands are lower. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.